If you're wondering what happened to Nissan Forklifts, rest assured they live on under the UniCarriers name, distributed throughout Australia by Lencrow Materials Handling. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. So, born out of the merger between Nissan Forklifts and TCM Corporation, UniCarriers forklifts deliver the same reliability, quality and value as their Nissan predecessors. And UniCarriers continues to support all existing Nissan machines with spares and servicing available through Lencrow. The UniCarriers range includes petrol, LPG, dual fuel, diesel and electric forklifts from 1,000 kilograms and up, with both 3- and 4-wheel counterbalanced designs. There are stand-up and sit-down ridge trucks with up to 9-metre lift heights, power pallet jacks and both low-level and high-rise order pickers as well. The latest additions to the UniCarriers range come with additional features designed to increase productivity and efficiency, as well as saving energy and reducing carbon emissions. For more information, very simple, visit Lencrow Materials Handling at lencrowforklifts.com.au or call them on 1300 536 276. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.